River Run is working beautifully. So this area used to bog out quite badly. It's amazing how well this thing works now. Comes down to the junction, just flows off into the property. Second section or section I'm working on is this one up here. So you can see the water running down there. This will split the two gardens from this top section up here, and I'll have rocks coming all the way down this area too. So I'll trench it out, and it's working really good. Very cool. Side of the property stays really dry now, which is excellent. Runoff from the studio comes down there along the side. That's all drainage under the bottom there. Runs down, goes down the front. This area with the boom keeps everything off there, and basically heads off down that way. Once this is all rocked up, it'll look fantastic. This area here I've got to cover up, kill all the grass, and we're going to turn it into just basically natives, so it'll look fantastic. Big no-mow area once this is all finished. People were asking about the runoff. As you can see with the hardwood bark chips, we got absolutely annihilated with rain today, and nothing runs off at all.